Assalamu alaikum. Welcome all to Easy Human Anatomy channel. In this video, I discuss histology of the iris and also discuss which histological features make the iris is a unique structure. Let's start the video. At first, the histological layer of the iris formed before backward. This is iris. It has pupillary margin. This is the peripheral margin or root of the iris. It's situated near the ciliary body, and this margin is situated near the pupil of the iris. Pupil is the area of the iris through this light pass within the eyeball, and this pupil controls the amount of light enter within the eyeball. So histological layer at first in front, the anterior limiting layer. It is formed by the fibroblast and melanocyte which are arranged discontinuously. This is next layer, the intermediate fibrous layer. It is also contain fibroblast, melanocyte, occasional clamp cell and blood vessels. These two layers is freely communicate with the aqueous humor present in the anterior chamber of the eyeball. Next, the muscle layer. This muscle is formed with a smooth muscle cell. Near the pupil, this is the sphincter pupillae muscle, and deep to it, another muscle, dilator pupillae, which extend from the pupillary margin to the root of the iris. This is the arrangement of the smooth muscle cell in sphincter pupillae muscle. Contraction of this muscle reduce the size of the pupil. This is the arrangement of the smooth muscle cell in the dilator pupillae muscle. They are radially arranged, and contraction of this muscle dilate the pupil. Let's discuss the clamp cell present in the stoma. This is the anterior limiting layer. This is the fibrous stoma, and you see this is the stomal melanocyte and nuclei of the fibroblast, and deep part of this fibrostoma contain smooth muscle cell. So occasionally this fibrostoma contain clamp cell. This clamp cell present mainly in the near the pupillary margin and also near the root of the iris. There are two types of clamp cell, type 1 and type 2. Type 1 cell is more found in old age, and like macrophage, they actually ingest release melanocyte from dying pigmented cell. Type 2 clamp cells are less common and thought to represent smooth muscle cell in early stage of development. Now this is anterior limiting membrane and this is posterior limiting membrane. This pupillary margin is irregular and known as the pupillary bridge, and this bridge is formed due to the reflected part of the posterior epithelium. So why the iris is unique structure of the body? Due to the anterior limiting layer of the iris, it is unique structure. It is the body's only connective tissue which not covered by epithelium, any endothelium. Fibroblast and melanocyte is exposed, and it is not in the posterior surface, it is covered by the epithelium, but anterior surface only connective tissue is present and is freely communicate with the fluid of the anterior chamber aqueous humor, and this character make it is a unique structure of the body. So you see this is the anterior limiting membrane and it is not covered by epithelium. This is anterior epithelium, this is posterior epithelium. So this is all about today's video. If you like this video, please press the like button, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.